the engine back together. Gotta crank it up for the first time. See how it goes. Big moment. If I said I wasn't nervous right now, I'd be lying. Ladies and gentlemen, the Camaro Restoration officially begins. Well, it's been about 3 months since I worked in the car because it's been hot, and now time to work again. So we're gonna spray the bumper tonight. Front bumper remains, and that'll be it.
On fire. I'm looking at the package right now.
It's been 1 year that I've owned the Camaro. A lot of work and time, effort. It's all gone into it. And tonight, on October 15th, I have got the car ready to paint. There she sits. Tomorrow morning, it's going down. Like that thing that just fell.
Classic cars and the American road. Top secret is Detroit made.
Right now we're prepping the car for success. So this way we get a nice, even, clean application of paint. Alright, first clear coat is on. Looking pretty nice and shiny. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that Camaro. Look at that. Look at that. Alright.